Let's move on. We're also learning from sources that Liberty House and Excalibur Steel are in the race for Tata Steel's Hartlepool and South Yorkshire assets. Kritika Saxena is joining in with more details. Kritika, what's the latest on this one?
So we already know on Friday, Tata Steel had announced that they are now looking at various options for consolidating the European and the UK businesses, and one of them is a separate sale of two of the smaller assets in UK, that is the Hartlepool Pipe Mill in UK as well as the South Yorkshire business. Now, we understand that Liberty House and Excalibur Steel have already submitted expression of interest. In fact, the Tata Steel management is in Europe as we speak to take this forward and to see who are the other bidders that are interested. So for now, looks like Liberty House and Excalibur Steel, but we understand that KPMG, that is going ahead with initiating conversation with bidders, is also inviting several other players, and there is a possibility that Wilbur Ross may also show interest in these two assets. Now, to give you a sense about these two assets, they're significantly smaller compared to the other assets that Tata Steel has. It has about 2,000 people out of the entire 11,000 employee base that Tata Steel has within the UK. Now, as far as Port Talbot is concerned, which is the largest plant of about 4,000 employees. For now, they aren't initiating any conversation to sell Port Talbot separately. Once there is some clarity with respect to the pension scheme, etc., they may initiate that too. But at this point in time, these are the two assets that they're looking at for a sale, and they will be sold independently and not together necessarily, as was being discussed earlier.